Hi, my name's Annabel. I'm 33 years old. I'm currently on maternity leave from my career as a fashion buyer. So I have naturally quite thick hair, but it can be quite frizzy and untamed if I just leave it to dry naturally with some different products and brands. So that was something that I really wanted to try and tackle. I also have had a baby in the last 6 months, so I found that from postpartum hair loss that it was like coming out in quite big clumps as well. So I wanted to have a product that did thicken it but not make it look frizzy. The Redensifying Shampoo was a lovely colour actually, but also again the texture of that was just really lightweight and just glided onto my hair, and it was really easy to lather and then wash out. It didn't feel, sometimes I feel with like paraben and sulfate free shampoo, it can feel quite matte in a way when you're washing it, but it really didn't feel like that. It felt really just like a shine in a shampoo.